I got a package today in the post, being that I'm obviously a real TikToker now, and I get post. I thought I would share my delivery, but I actually know what this is. So I don't know if you've seen on my TikTok, but there's this amazing artist called Harriet Selfe, and Harriet has painted a picture. Oh my God, she sent me chocolates too. Look at that. Oh, Harriet. Oh, let me phone her. Can I phone her on your phone? I need to phone her and thank her. And I know that she's in New Zealand. She's going to be like, who the hell's that number? I don't know that number. She might not even pick up. Hello, Harriet. It's Sarah Valentine here. I'm actually live on TikTok and I've unwrapped your parcel. So I'm telling you so that you can go on to live and we can chat on the live and I can unwrap it with you on the phone. And I'm just doing it now, just to let you know. Okay, all right, babe. I'll see you in a second. Bye. She's just joined. So that's Harriet. And I got a parcel from Miss Harriet. And I'm going to open it. Very handy. Excellent choice of chocolates to send with gifts. Lovely business cards. I got a present. Oh, Sarah, I hope you like this mini painting of you. Thank you for sharing your wonderful skills with the world, from Harriet. Thank you, Harriet. I can't unwrap it fast enough. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful, everybody? It's got a little thank you sticker on it. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. Certificate of authenticity. Wow. That's so amazing. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that?
Wow.
Oh my gosh, and she's written on the back of it, Harriet 2021.
Wow, nice.
You have made my day.
Wow.
Thank you so much. That's absolutely stunning. I know it's a picture of me and I'm like, oh my God, I'm so beautiful. But I don't mean that. I mean like, oh my God, you're an amazing artist and I cannot thank you enough for such a beautiful painting. Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.